east of England. The rain mostly quite light and patchy, but some rain nonetheless. And the southwest of England may also see a little bit of rain this afternoon. 14 or so degrees in Plymouth, more like a 19 in London. And then into Scotland and Northern Ireland. Well, one or two showers affecting the north coast of Scotland, the north coast of Northern Ireland, but the western side of Scotland much more likely to see some showers. The eastern side of Scotland's doing quite well, mostly dry, maybe the odd shower, but mostly dry. 14 degrees in Aberdeen, 12 in Glasgow, and much of Northern Ireland having a decent day, 13 or so degrees in Belfast through the afternoon, and for most of us, temperatures in the low to middle teens.
Thanks, Jay. Jay Wynn there at the BBC Weather Centre.
It's 5:30, wind's blowing from the west. Just going to drift up with the tide a little bit, and then when the ebb starts, I'll run it right the way back down. So I'm just going to drift up with the tide for a bit until it turns, don't know, 2 hours maybe, we'll see. Not a great day. There's William Wallace. Got a memorial here. Fantastic man. There's lots of pairs of sheds here. Bonded warehouses. Three metres, so I'm feeling quite comfortable. This river, I'm going to call it a river now, it twists and turns, really meanders big time. And so what I do is I have to motor up one bit and then drift down the other with the tide. The tide is still flooding, so I shall keep going until the tide quits and then turn around. The river feels really benign now. I think I was parked at a place where the stream runs really hard. Mad place to be. And just enjoy the river for what it is. I'm not going to bother rigging the boat just for that bit, so I'm now going to drift down with the tide. I could drop the mast, but it would be, I don't know, 20 minutes messing about. I'd have to make the frame at the back, and all that for a couple of 100 yards of river is not worth doing. I'm just going to drift back down. I think I might spend the next 24 hours or so up in this bit of the river, just drifting up and down, watching the tide ebb. I shall find a spot where I can't hear any traffic and drop the hook.